Honda HRC Progressive ready for 2025 season. Dominance in the Premier Class. Honda HRC Progressive is prepared to defend its legacy as a dominant force in motorcycle racing as the 2025 season approaches. Having claimed 5 of 6 Premier Class titles in the last 2 years, the team enters the new season with high expectations. The roster is led by reigning AMA Supercross 450 champion Jett Lawrence, who secured the championship in his rookie 450 season and also claimed the 2024 SuperMotocross 450 crown. At just 21 years old, Jett boasts 8 professional AMA titles and is widely considered one of the top riders globally. Riding alongside him is his brother, Hunter Lawrence, who delivered a remarkable 2024 season, finishing second in both the 450 Pro Motocross and SuperMotocross standings and playing a key role in Team Australia's victory at the Motocross of Nations. Both brothers will compete aboard the advanced 2025 CRF450RWE, priced at $13,999, aiming to extend their winning streak and build on their already stellar careers. Quarter-liter program with promising riders. Honda HRC Progressive's 250 class riders include Shimoda and Chance Hymas, both set to compete on the all-new 2025 CRF250RWE, priced at $9,999. Shimoda, the first Japanese rider to win an AMA 250SX main event and AMA Pro Motocross and SuperMotocross overall titles, is entering his second year with the team and will focus on the West region. Chance Hymas, who will race in the East region, claimed his first AMA Pro Motocross overall win in 2024 and is eager to showcase his talent after recovering from injuries. The continuity in the quarter-liter program highlights Honda's commitment to fostering young talent while maintaining high standards of competition. Leadership and staff expertise. Under the guidance of team manager Lars Lindström, the Honda HRC Progressive team boasts a seasoned lineup of crew members. Key staff includes 450 crew chief Grant Hutchison, 250 crew chief Jordan Troxel, and mechanics Christian Ducharme, Jett Lawrence, Cameron Camara, Hunter Lawrence, Ben Griffith, Joe Shimoda, and Thomas Harris, Chance Hymas. This experienced team ensures that the CRF450RWE and CRF250RWE bikes are race-ready, fine-tuned to meet the highest performance standards. Excitement for the upcoming season. Brandon Wilson, manager of racing and advertising at American Honda, expressed confidence in the team's ability to build on past successes, citing the impressive lineup of riders and race bikes as well as the support of dedicated sponsors. Team manager Lars Lindström praised the team's hard work and progression, emphasizing their readiness for the challenges ahead. The 2025 AMA Supercross season kicks off on January 11th in Anaheim, California, followed by the AMA Pro Motocross Series and the SuperMotocross Championship. With 2 Premier Class riders and 2 competitive quarter-liter racers, Honda HRC Progressive is well-positioned to dominate across all platforms, delivering an exciting season for fans worldwide. Pricing: 2025 CRF450RWE, $13,999. 2025 CRF250RWE, $9,999. Honda HRC Progressive's cutting-edge bikes, skilled riders, and experienced team staff promise another year of championship-caliber performances in 2025.